So one of the important things you always want to do when you're crankbait fishing, whether you're just putting a lure on or you bring in a lure after catching the fish, is always test its tune. Basically what I'm doing there is just putting it in the water, giving it a good sweep and watching what happens. Just don't have it running, actually give it a good sweep. Now in this case, the bait was moving a little to the inside, so what I need to do is move the eyelet the way I want the bait to go, and that's to the outside. Got a nice little tool here that all I got to do is go alongside it here, clip it once, let it tick, then I'm going to throw it back in the water and test it. Still needs a little bit more. This thing is adjusted so that it's just moving that eyelet a little bit each time it pops. It's just moving that eyelet a little bit more. There we go, perfectly tuned, so it's going nice and straight. That's going to let that bait get down to its maximum depth. It's also going to give it the action that it was designed to have. So make sure you're tuning those crankbaits. That'll put more fish in the boat.